Most of you are running a bankrupt biology system. You are obsessed with Elon Musk mode. You think sleeping on the factory floor and grinding 100 hours a week is the price greatness. You call it obsession. I call it death contract. I know, because in 2017, I said it. I was a butcher of my own life. I trusted every lead, understand every client, and worked until the sun came up. There are only two ways to build wealth. One consumes you, the other frees you. Path 1, the Musk path. This is a brute force. You are the battery of your company. You are high status fuel. But here's the problem with the batteries they drain. It broke the greatest icons of our time. It will break you too. Path 2, the never pass. This is the system architecture. You own the labor. You are the designer. You build wise automation. A system that works while you sleep, so you don't have to work until you die. I didn't escape the virtual life by working harder. I escaped by changing code. I audited my biology hardware. Look at the data. Body fat down from 24% to 18%. Weight from 77 kilos to 64. I literally shared the weight of my old life. Sleep 8 hours. Non-negotiable. My debt didn't shrink because I added more hours to my calendar. It shrunk because I reached my mental bandwidth. A clear mind makes $10,000 decisions. A tight mind makes $10 mistakes that cost you millions. If you are currently caffeine-driven, anxious, and drawing in fake busy work, stop. You aren't building a legacy. You are just decorating yourself. I'm not here to share feelings. I'm here to deliver protocols. I have documented the exact architecture I used to stop the bleed and reclaim my sovereignty. This isn't a story. It's a reprogramming manual for your life. Stop being the fuel, start being the architect. If you are ready to audit your own system, I have 2 resources for you. First, the RFR newsletter. Weekly deep dives into this logic. It's free to read, but it's expensive to ignore. Second, the RFI Almanac. This is a better access to my private frameworks on debt, liquidation, and biology hardware. The link is below. Build the system. Reclaim the man. I'm Morgan Liu. Welcome to RFI.